Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer and spiritual teacher. Today I want to share with you some facts about EFT tapping and distinguish it from Qigong practices to introduce the differences and show you the advantages compared to acupuncture. I need to admit something. I really love acupuncture. Even clients who come to me and were afraid of needles have started to love, even adore acupuncture, and they eagerly await our sessions. So let's begin and demystify what is important in this episode. Acupuncture and emotional freedom techniques, tapping, share several similarities and offer distinct benefits, particularly in the realm of alternative therapies for emotional and physical well-being. So, both acupuncture and EFT tapping are based on the concept of meridians, which are pathways in the body where energy flows. In TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, blockages or imbalances in these meridians are believed to cause physical and emotional issues. So, acupuncture uses needles to stimulate specific points along these meridians, while EFT tapping uses gentle tapping with the fingertips to achieve a similar effect. Both methods consider the mind-body connection and aim to treat the whole person rather than just the symptom. They seek to balance the body's energy system to promote overall health and well-being. Also, acupuncture involves the insertion of needles. It is generally considered minimally invasive, and EFT tapping is completely non-invasive, involving only the tapping of fingers on the skin. So EFT can be performed anywhere and at any time without the need of special equipment or professional intervention. And this make it convenient and cost-effective options for managing stress, anxiety, and other emotional issues. So EFT empowers individuals to take control of their own healing process by learning the tapping points and techniques. People can use EFT as a self-care tool also to manage their emotions and physical symptoms independently. So EFT has been reported to help with a variety of issues including anxiety, depression, traumas, and the act of tapping can help to release emotional blockages and reduce the intensity of negative feelings, often leading to a greater sense of calm and well-being. Many clients report experiencing quick relief from emotional distress. So EFT can be used alongside other therapeutic approaches, including conventional medical treatments and other forms of therapy. It does not interfere with other treatments and can enhance overall outcomes. So, if you're interested in discovering the benefits of EFT tapping, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, stay here, and find out just how many beautiful, amazing, and simple exercises and affirmations I share with you through these practices. I'm sure you will discover many benefits and will gladly share with your friends once you realize how much you have improved the quality of your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next episode. Have a lovely day.